We are going to be making a presentation in PowerPoint. So I'm going to click my Windows and click on the PowerPoint icon, and it's going to start it up for us. First, you can pick a blank presentation or you can pick a theme. We are going to go with this one, and you're just going to hit create and insert your title. Next, I'm going to delete this slide, so I'm just going to right click and hit delete slide because I want a different layout. I'm going to go up to the top and hit new slide, and title and content is the one I wish to do. I'm going to add my information, and I have text saved, so I'm just going to right click and you go right up here, and I'm going to say keep source formatting, and it's going to put my information in. And I wish to move it up, so if you scroll up to the top where the line is, there's going to be 4 arrows, and I'm just going to move it up a little bit and click on the outside. Next, we're going to add a picture. So you're going to go to the Insert tab, click Insert, go to Pictures, and it'll bring up any pictures you have saved on your computer. You're going to click the picture that you want and hit Insert. It'll bring up design ideas that you can choose from, or you can format it yourself, so I'm going to close that out. And these little white circles are going to control the size. So you're just going to click on it and drag it. You can make it larger or smaller. We're going to make it smaller, a little smaller than that. Okay. And it's going to bring up a picture format tab right here at the top, which you can add borders, you can add effects. We are going to hit this down arrow and click on the soft edge rectangle because I like that effect. And then I'm going to come back to my PowerPoint, so for now I'm going to save. So you're just going to hit File, Save As, and then any folder that you would like to add your file to, and type the name. And then you're going to click Save. And that way you can come back to it or continue working on it, and in case anything happens to your computer, it's already saved on there.